Toyota Land Cruiser, a name that commands respect across deserts, mountains, and jungles. For over 70 years, it's been the ultimate off-road warrior. But now, Toyota is shaking up the game with something bold, and the Toyota Land Cruiser EV. Yes, you heard that right. No more roaring V8s. No more diesel grunts. Just instant torque and zero emissions. But does that mean the end of the Land Cruiser's legendary toughness? Or is this EV evolution exactly what the off-roading world needs? Let's dive deep into the Toyota Land Cruiser EV and find out if it's truly a game-changer. First things first, what does it look like? Toyota hasn't fully revealed it yet, but we've seen teaser images and leaked designs that hint at a mix of rugged heritage and futuristic tech. Think classic Land Cruiser boxiness, but with smooth aerodynamic touches, aggressive LED light bars, and a stance that screams dominance. It's like Toyota took the best parts of the FJ Cruiser, sprinkled in some Cybertruck toughness, and fused it all with modern EV flair. If this design language holds, we're looking at an off-roader that doesn't just perform, it intimidates. Now, let's talk performance. The biggest question on every enthusiast's mind: can an electric Land Cruiser still conquer the wild? Toyota's answer? Hell yes. Here's why. Instant torque. Electric motors deliver torque instantly, meaning crazy acceleration and grip where it matters most: deep mud, steep inclines, and rock crawling. Dual or quad motor setup. Rumors suggest Toyota could offer a dual motor AWD system or even a quad motor variant. Imagine independent wheel control for ultimate traction. Solid-state battery tech. Toyota's been at the forefront of next-gen batteries. If they use solid-state tech, this thing could have a range over 300 miles while being super durable. Perfect for long off-road adventures. Regenerative braking and one-pedal driving. Perfect for downhill control. Who needs a traditional gearbox when you've got electric precision? And let's not forget, Toyota's legendary off-road DNA won't vanish. Expect locking differentials, adjustable air suspension, and even some wild AI-assisted terrain tech. The Land Cruiser isn't just an SUV, it's an icon. From the Australian outback to the streets of Dubai, this beast has been the go-to vehicle for adventurers, military forces, and die-hard off-roaders. It's been in movies, used by the UN, and even helped explorers reach the most remote places on Earth. So the big question is, will die-hard fans embrace an electric version, or will they cling to the diesel and gasoline heritage? If Toyota plays its cards right, the EV version could introduce an entirely new generation to Land Cruiser greatness while preserving its rich legacy. Toyota knows they can't mess this up. The Land Cruiser isn't just another SUV. It's a lifeline in extreme conditions. If the EV version keeps the same spirit of reliability, durability, and go-anywhere capability, it could redefine what off-road EVs can do. And with global EV mandates pushing automakers toward electrification, Toyota is making sure the Land Cruiser isn't left behind. Who knows? This might be the start of a whole new chapter in the legendary off-roader's history. So, what do you think? Can an electric Land Cruiser live up to its name? Or is this a step too far from its roots? Drop a comment below, and let's get the debate going. Also, if you love deep dives into automotive tech and breaking news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got some wild updates coming your way. This is Torque Update, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay driven.